Go.
Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at our Century 2200 cuddy cabin. 2006 model. It's got a 225 Yamaha 4-stroke on it. This boat is really clean. You've got to get on it and see how good a shape this thing is in to appreciate it. Back in the back of the boat right here, you've got a nice big live well on it. Look at the cockpit space that you've got on this boat. This is a 22-foot boat, and we've got all kinds of fishing room, plenty of room for 4 people to fish back in the back here. Some nice chairs at the helm. We've got a Simrad GPS on here, brand new Fusion stereo, brand new standard VHF radio on here, Ritchie compass. And if you want to walk forward, you can take a peek. There's a nice cuddy cabin down below. All the cushions on this boat we've got inside because they're in really good shape. So the exterior cushions out here, the cushions for down inside the cabin, we're keeping them all inside because they were kept in the previous owner's garage and they're in really good shape. But anyway, come see this boat at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. The outside of it is in better condition even than the inside is. You'll appreciate it when you see it.